If you have time, usually you don't have money. If you have money, usually you don't have time. So using time versus money, you can be the seller of services or the buyer of services depending on your financial luck of the draw. You could easily set up things that you're willing to do at given times throughout the week and turn that into some spare income, which could be things like teaching piano, giving voice lessons, cutting someone's lawn, fixing a sink, or even giving somebody a ride to work. We're bonded and insured, and we'll make sure you get paid if you perform the services you've agreed to. We can accept payment over most credit cards, and we can even accept Bitcoin payments as a convenience. If you're in need of repairing a dripping sink or having somebody come over to your house to help you hang a picture, we'll send out an all-points bulletin to anyone willing to help then and there. And we'll make sure we send you an insured and bonded and trusted individual to your home. We do all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to, and we'll pair you up with service providers in your area that can perform the services you need. We pair up people with the individuals willing to lend a hand in your neighborhood to help you exactly when and where you need some help.